G'day. Today's question is, should you get a gaming laptop or a gaming desktop in 2021? Now, I add the 2021 in there purely for the fact that if we go back a couple of years, that if you needed a machine that was portable and you required gaming performance, you'd probably be able to go straight to a laptop. If you required it to be cheap and you don't need it portable and you want a game, you'd probably go the desktop route. Where a cheap gaming laptop really didn't exist 2+ years ago, especially at an okay price. Where nowadays, with graphics card prices going through the roof, a gaming laptop running a 3060, 3070, and the soon to be released 3050 Ti's, those ones are all viable options. Considering, last I looked, a Gigabyte 3070 gaming OC model was around about close to about $2,000. At the same price, you're able to buy essentially an MSI gaming laptop running a 3060 in there, or other brands around the same price. Even some laptops now are coming out with 85-watt 3070s for around $2,000. This is all in Australian dollars I'm talking. So essentially you could buy a cut down version of the desktop 3070 and you can get a whole computer for that price. So that definitely throws value for money at the window. So typically it would come back to, do you need the machine portable? Do you need that power to be portable as well? If that power doesn't require to be portable and you only need the laptop for schoolwork or just general internet browsing, you may be able to get away with something as cheap as a Chromebook and then leave the gaming computer at home. Personally, I go down the path of a gaming laptop just because I'm usually always bringing the machine back to and from work every day or every second day. And when I want to load up Counter-Strike, I just want to go. So, pun intended. But I find that the hardware of the machine that I've purchased typically exceeds the game that I want to play greatly. So, Counter-Strike Global Offensive runs perfectly fine on my MSI laptop. Then I'm basically running at high graphics, 1080 resolution at 130 plus FPS. With the 144Hz screen, I really don't notice any issues at all. So for me, that's perfectly fine. But if you wanted to play something like Cyberpunk, it would be a bit lacking for that, or you're dropping the resolution or dropping the details down. As opposed to the gaming desktop. But the issue nowadays is the gaming desktop, even the second-hand market, is that high in price that you can't really get a decent gaming machine. It's granted if you don't require RTX, you want to play Counter-Strike, wanting to play Valorant, then essentially you'd be able to play that on almost any machine running a 1060 or 1050 Ti and above. Granted, if you're looking in the new market, you're going to be finding that it's very, very punishing, very, very expensive, but you're getting a brand new machine. So honestly, I can't really answer that question for you. Should you get a gaming laptop or a gaming desktop? It's entirely up to you and your own needs and also your budget. If you're going to spend $2,000 on a gaming desktop, you're going to be making a fair few compromises to be able to get it within that price range, as opposed to a gaming laptop, which may be able to play the games you like at the resolution and the frame rate you want to achieve, and you may be stuck with the 15.6-inch screen. But with pretty much the last 2 decades, you can quite easily connect up an external monitor to your laptop, and from there you'd be able to game on that. I've had a few comments on the YouTube channel regarding people that have... One comment that stands out actually was his gaming computer died. He bought a gaming laptop with a 3060 in there. He's essentially docked it up, put that in the cupboard, hit on, and that's his gaming machine for now. So you can definitely get away with just using a modern gaming laptop as your primary gaming machine. Anyway, hope this gives you a couple of things to think about and hopefully steer you towards the path that you may choose. Anyway, that will do for today, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.